Hello children, welcome to recorder lesson. In today's lesson, I want to teach you how to play the first note of recorder, note B. Note B. First thing first, we start with our left hand. Remember that you must cover the hole properly. Place the recorder mouthpiece in between the cushions of your lips and blow it gently. You must not use the tips of the finger. Rest your finger on the recorder properly and make sure that the holes are properly covered firmly. Can you see note B? Now, if you cover the first finger in your left hand, which is the index finger, as you can see on the screen, with the thumb, this forms note B. Can you see it on the screen? Note B. Now, let us start with the exercise, our first exercise on note B. Short note B. B, 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 B. That is one crochet beat in a bar. Correct. Can we try it again? That is very good of you. See you in the next lesson. Hello children, welcome to today's lesson, recorder lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn long note B. Remember that note B is the index finger and the thumb. Also, remember that we are using the left hand. Then you must cover the holes firmly and properly. Don't use the tips of the finger. Rest the finger on the recorder. Long note B. B, 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 B. Now, let us try it. Very good. Can we do it again? Good. See you in the next class. Hello children, welcome to recorder lesson. In today's lesson, we want to learn note A. Note A. To play my note A, all I need to do is to add my left middle finger. This forms note A, as you can see on the screen. Cover the holes properly and let it be firm. Exercise 3, note A, short note A. A, 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 A. Now let us play. Can you do it again? Okay, that is all for today. See you in the next lesson.
Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic surfers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.